Our project has been the energy savings plan from 2011 to 2014. The goal we set was 25% of energy reduction on energy consumption, and our result was 27%, so we even overcome this goal. They have been very helpful to develop the software we are using to visualize all the data about energy consumption in all the buildings we have monitored, which are almost all the 90 buildings of the university. It can help for the control. You can see strange things and react when you see that there's more consumption than you expected, and this is very different than using the bill that you find 2 months after and it's too late. That's one thing. And the second is you can get immediate feedback about your actions. You want to empower and allow participation in all users of the campus. It's important they can see the impact of their single actions. We have saved 4 million euros in 4 years compared to what we would have paid without an energy strategy. This has two reasons. One is because we give continuity to the system we had before, and it was all made. And the second is that we brand it as a very institutional action and system, so people do not see it as a strange tool, external tool of the university, but it's an internal, self-controlled tool for us.